Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be taking store-bought slime and putty and turning it into butter slime. Before the video is over, comment your favorite one and let me know if you've ever tried doing anything like this with your store-bought putties and slimes. Let's just jump right into the video and get started. Okay, so the first slime we are going to use, I purchased at Walmart. It's a party cake scented slime that's pink and has little foam, maybe not foam, those little perler bead type things inside of them. And I don't know if you guys have purchased this slime before. I have, and sometimes it's pretty hard and kind of more like a normal slime, but sometimes it's just super runny, and I don't know why that is. I don't think this is too old. I don't think it should be this liquidy at this point, but it is what it is, and we're gonna work with it. So here I have all the slime out. I'm going to be mixing in some air dry clay. This is by Putty Slime Company. If you guys have not tried her clay, Roxanne is the owner, and her clay is amazing. It's kind of almost like slime right out of the package. So I'm going to mix this in and let's see what happens. I'm starting to love the texture right away. I think that the fact that the slime slash putty was liquidy actually worked for us in this situation, because I feel like it's making the butter slime just more creamy, and we will have to use less lotion in the long run. So if your slime that you're using or putty comes out of the container and it's stiffer, just add more lotion or as needed. And the next slime we are going to be turning into a butter slime is by Craft City Life, Karina Garcia's brand. And this is actually an Easter slime that I never got around to opening. And so we will see how this turns out. Now, the texture on this one, straight out of the container, is super nice. I feel like it has like a nice stretch to it, pretty decent for a store-bought slime. Now here's my Putty Slime Company air dry clay again. You guys notice that I'm picking colors that are super similar to the store-bought slime, just because I kind of wanted it to stay similar to how it is, just a butter version of it. So I'm not trying to do like a super transformation, just kind of change the texture. So it just so happens I had all the colors that I needed for this, so that was pretty cool. Now right away after adding the clay, the slime started to get so tough and just not stretchy at all. It was rippy, and all of the little chickies were falling out. And so I'm going to try to do some lotion, see if that helps. Helps to soften it up a bit. And I don't think we're going anywhere with this, you guys. It is definitely not turning into a butter slime. So if you are planning to try out turning your putties and store-bought slimes into a butter slime, I would probably stay away from the Craft City slimes and just keep them how they are. Otherwise, you're going to end up with this hot mess. So you can see the little duckies just kind of pop out. I feel so bad. It was such a cute slime that I totally screwed up. All right. I'm going to save these little chickies because they're cute. On to the next one. Now we're going to try doing a butter slime with this mythical putty. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this putty, but it is a really nice putty. They're super clear. They have such pretty glitters. The owner is super sweet. And yeah, so I've never tried to turn their putties into a butter slime before, so I'm super curious to see how it is going to turn out. But you guys can see this is like a really nice texture. These putties are really fun to just kind of keep in your purse or your school bag. They won't melt, and pretty easy to maintain. Just so happens I got this pink Putty Slime Company clay on hand. So let's mix that into the putty and see what happens. Have you guys ever just played with Kawaii Slime Company clay? It is so slime-like, just out of the package. I love it. And no, this video is not sponsored. I just like talking about products that I really love and use a lot. So mixing it in right off the bat, I'm loving the texture. It's coming together really nicely. So let's see what happens. Let's try adding some lotion and see how that changes the texture, if it softens it up a little bit. I'm really liking this. It kind of just made the clay a little more stiffer and a little more putty-like, but it does have that kind of soft, buttery feel that a butter slime has to it. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if this would be considered like a clay putty now. I'm going to do a little more lotion, see if it fluffs up a little bit more. But it is really, really nice. I do like the result of this one. The only thing is there's a little bit of, not fallout, but just kind of a little residue that, I don't know, if you don't like residue, you probably wouldn't like that on this. But it is a super cool texture if you want to try it out. And that's all there is for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Comment which one was your favorite. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.